I can say through like July and August, Mondays weren't that good. It was a very depressing day of the week.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
What I'm seeing is this, Rick. Tell me if you don't agree. Just in the last few weeks, we've seen some buyer activity come back. We've seen it just in the last few weeks. And interest rates went crazy over the summer and then shot up last month. Now they're kind of calming down again. What I'm seeing is that if interest rates just shrink a little bit, we're going to see the buyers jumping back in again. That's what I see.
Yeah, I think that you will. I don't know that we're going to see them jump in as the levels that they were at.
No.
But you're seeing that, and we're seeing it from an opening standpoint from title company on a pretty consistent basis. And what I mean by that is Mondays we have the weekend showings, the contracts being written, and Mondays is usually a big day for new contracts. Well, I can say through like July and August, Mondays weren't that good. It was a very depressing day of the week, and it's usually a good day.
We usually like to complain on Mondays about how busy we are. We were hoping to complain in July and August.
There was no complaining during July and August, and in September it's kind of went a little different route, and so far in October, this past Monday was a pretty decent day. A lot of that which is contradictory to what we've been talking about, is rates were at the highest point the last 2 weeks.
I know.
So, and we're seeing more activity now. There was a couple articles about applications that came out as far as what percentages up or down. I didn't really dive into it as much, but we're definitely seeing applications not as high as what they were, but that's also on the refinance side.
That's the thing. The refinances have gone away. They're toast.
Completely.
I mean, any lender that was out there hoping to build their business on refis they're sitting on the sidelines now because there's nothing happening.
We get about 4 or 5 a day still.
Do you really?
And they are all centered around two main topics: debt consolidation,
right?
divorces.
Of course,
those two things are driving with the refis that we're seeing.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
But as far as the market, I mean, we're in a situation where that no one has been in yet. Like, we don't know. We have no idea. None of us. You go back through all these years, it was not like this.
Yeah,
we have high interest rates, higher prices, and that's the new. I'm going to call it the new norm, but I think we're going to start seeing a little bit of price come down from that as we go through the winter months, and we do that.
And we've seen that. We're seeing that now,
and that's historical anyway.
Yeah,
you usually see prices fall a little bit during the winter months.
Yeah.
Holiday season.
There is seasonality to real estate. You've been listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. If you ever have a question about real estate or any of the other topics we cover, just call me off air or text me at 702-203-1165. You can also check us out on the web at lvrealestateradio.com or on our handle on social media at LV Real Estate Radio.